Welcome to Agriculture Academy. If you enjoy our videos, remember to like and subscribe. Modern-day scientists attribute global warming in part to elevated levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The burning of fossil fuel is mainly responsible for this situation. Many people describe it as a doomsday scenario. There is good news, however. We have a hero that can save the day. That hero is the common plant. Plants can correct this imbalance and have the ability to remove excess carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. How do plants remove carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere? All life on Earth is dependent on a plant's ability to use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates, or commonly known as sugars. As a byproduct of this process, the plant releases oxygen back into the atmosphere. This process is known as photosynthesis and forms the basis of all life on Earth. Let's see how it works. Sunlight shines down on a plant and starts to heat up the leaves. On the leaf you find small cells called stomata cells. These cells helps the plant to regulate its temperature. As the leaf heats up, the stomata cells open up and starts to release water in a process called transpiration. As water evaporates from the leaf, it cools the leaf down. This process is called evapotranspiration. The stomata cell has another important function. The stomata cells serves as the entry and exit point for any gas exchange of the plant. So as the leaf heats up, the stomata cells open, releases water. At the same time, the plant starts to take up carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. With the process of photosynthesis, the plant starts to produce carbohydrates and oxygen. The process looks like this: sun energy plus carbon dioxide plus water, with the process of photosynthesis, within the chlorophyll, equals carbohydrates and oxygen. This oxygen is released back into the atmosphere via the stomata cells on the leaf. The higher the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the more efficient the process will be. So, the higher the carbon dioxide levels, the faster plants will remove it out of the atmosphere and convert it into food for us. So there you have it. Plants not only feed us, but are in the process of saving the planet. We hope you have a better understanding of the process of photosynthesis and the value of plants in feeding us and saving the planet. Till next time.